Where's she going? Go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
The park.
What is this called?
Nước mát.
Why ain't my phone focusing? What's it called?
Nước mát.
It looks like it's got tadpole eggs in it.
Try it. Try it.
She's happy.
Little bit, run. Little bit, run. Lisa, run. No, this one. Oh, mommy hand. Mommy.
Who hold daddy's hand first? Love him the most.
Mommy and daddy and the baby happy. Go to the tree. Happy. Lisa, look. Lisa, look. Go. Đây nè, đi, let's go. Đi con, đi, go. Oh, she kissed her daddy. Let's go nè. Go to the tree.
That snake.
Make happy. Đi con, đi. Lisa, turn left. Turn right.
Locusts. It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon too.
Yeah, if it's too hot, it's really good to do walk around.
Yeah, we got one day that's not in the 90-degree range. We got one day that's in the 80s today, so we consider this cooler weather.
Đi sao bận đồ đẹp đi đâu á? Hả? Đi vô si cô ỷ chu đúng không? Vô si ỷ chu á hả? Ra trường đúng không? Đừng có làm dơ đầm nha con. Hi baby. Lisa quay lại mẹ chụp hình nè. Chi, 1, 2, 3, chi. 1, 2, 3, chi. Lisa quay mẹ Chi nè, Chi. Baby Chi. So cute.
Wait, ready? One more. Okay, over.
Over.
Oh, ready?
Hôn mẹ. Okay, mommy here. Go. Run, Alicia, run. Run, Alicia, run. Run, Alicia, run. Run, Alicia, run, Alicia, run, Alicia, run. Run, Alicia, run, Alicia, run, Alicia, run. Lisa, turn around nè. Turn around mẹ chụp hình nè. Lisa. Chi. Lisa, look. Look mẹ nè. Chi.
She's saying, look at mommy.
Lisa, look mẹ nè. Look mommy nè.
Oh, we can go look for a bicycle today.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. This is a perfect place to take her.
Yeah.
There's a turtle park too, but
Alicia. 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 Quay qua nhìn mẹ nè, lúc mẹ nè. Hi baby. Alicia nhìn mẹ đi. Come here nè, lại đây nè, lại đây.
ferns, dog fennel.
Oh, pretty. Ai lớn.
Gonna get her mommy.
Ok mẹ đi nè. Rồi chạy lại mẹ nha. Rồi chưa, ready chạy. Oh, so pretty. Thank you. Ok, go anh chạy lại. Đây đi. Go đó chạy lại.
Like a bird's eye? I don't think it's pepper. I think it's one.
I think
No,
so.
don't eat that,
Alicia,
baby.
No, don't touch.
No.
No, ma'am. No, con không có đụng tùm lum, đụng cái là
No,
bị
they're not.
đụng.
I don't think they're peppers. I think they're those little poisonous berries not to be eaten.
Oh, I know what is it.
What?
Baby tomato.
Tomato? Oh, that's not a tomato plant.
Wow, không có đụng.
That's not a tomato plant.
Này, look small.
Yeah, I know it's a berry. Now she wants one.
See, look.
I'm telling you, I don't think that. I think that's some kind of. I don't think you should eat that. Tomato leaves don't look like that though.
I smell like something.
What is it? Yeah, I'm sure it smells like something. Huh?
It smell like hey.
Thank you. Oh, poison berry. No, I don't know about those. We need to find out what they are before you can eat them.
It's so pretty in here. Daddy, go. No, không có đi vào đó. Vô đó hứa đó.
Dog fennel. That dog fennel's a little bit more open than others are, though. Now these are China berries. I know what these are. That's a big sycamore right there. Dinosaur. Oh my goodness. A dinosaur. Well, let's get on. Don't waste no time. We gotta get on this dude. Come on. We'll get on and ride the dinosaur. Woohoo! Alicia, come on, yeah. Huh? You want Daddy off? Get right here. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
25 minutes from here. You think she's gonna slide?
Oh, I want to see her come down that big slide.
She's gonna broke her butt.
She's trying to tell the little girl, come on.
Alicia,
She's like, hey, come on.
you say come on. Alicia, go.
It's a little too high for her. She's second guessing it. She was fixing to go and she said, no, no, no. And she's telling her to go. She wants to see what it's like.
She say they go here.
Uh-huh. Do the small one. Yay!
It's good when they fly together.
Ah, that breeze feels good too.
Come on. Her butt stuck. No. Go.
Yay!
Think they say my
Uh-huh. Yep, changed their mind again. Good. You want to swing? This. Get on. Teeth. You say teeth. Somebody getting sleepy. Somebody getting sleepy. Somebody getting sleepy.
What about I hide somewhere and they keep me like that?
Hide. Hide from them. Alicia.
Lisa, go, go.
Oh, she's trying to take her boots off.
No.
No, she, not now. What, baby?
Hey, baby. Baby. Drink water now.
Alicia, come back.
Let me go there and drain this thing. She walked with me there and she thought I got out. And then she see the car, she said, no. Maybe we go, let's see nap on the car.
over there by Medusa. You better go. I'm gonna get you. Here, go down the slide. Go down the slide a little bit. Come on. Come with me. Come on, let's go. She's gonna push me down. Come on. Push, push. Push, push, push. Whee! Your turn. Your turn. Oh.
She's beautiful.
Thanks.
I thought she was your too.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Aluminum.
It's $45.
Oh. Something special. Oh, like an old baby swing. Sound bars. A lot of cool stuff here. Rangefinder. Where'd she go? There you are! Has anybody seen Alicia?
Lisa.
Don't know where she is, Mama. I lost her.
Hey, baby.
Oh, there you are! How did I not see her?
Maybe she tried to poo-poo.
Oh, that's what she's doing. She's poo-pooing. Whenever she goes to hide like that, that means it's poo-poo time.
Yeah, probably so.
That's a dangerous thing, though.
Mm-hmm.